Okay, this will be how to submit your infographic. So let's say this is your infographic and it's done. Up here at the top, there's a button called Share. Click on Share. This thing is set off to begin with, but you want to make sure that the link is made public. So turn that on, and now anyone with the link can look at your visual. You want that. It may ask you to name your project. I suggest putting your name in there as you name it. So, put your name in, and then copy the link. Okay. Then you need to go to your classroom. It's kind of a mess, and to your assignment page. So it'll say Infographic Project. Click on it, and then this is where yours will look different than mine. I think maybe on this page, kind of where I am right now, in the top right-hand corner, it'll have the doc, which should be done, and then right below that, it'll say Add or Create. You click Add or Create. A link will be an option. And then just paste your link into that as an attachment. You should see it there. It might take a few moments to load, and then hit Submit. So you'll turn in your doc and the link all together. And then when you have it done, it should say like turned in 2 attachments. So hopefully that helps you submit your assignment.